YouTube channel, and today I'm going to a new place. You never seen my channel yet, and can you guess it? Look at the scene. This is the bowling place. Yeah, I call it where we can play bowling with a very high amount of price. Yes, that's right. A very high amount of price. Is so expensive. Yeah, they call it magic bowl. If it is magic bowl, it could we're gonna win. It's so easy, but it's not so easy. Yeah, that's a problem. Look, it's so beautiful around it. The view is let me see, like a model. Yeah. Very model. Everything is so model. Clean. Yeah, it's clean. Like it's new. And new, it will clean. Yeah, and model, it will new. If new, it will clean. So, yeah. Look. I don't understand why do they need to sell shoe for us. We actually have our own shoe, but they still say me that you need if you go here you need to wear shoes. And I don't understand why. It's just so weird. Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, I literally don't understand. They even sell socks. We can easily wear only shoe. They wanna take our money. And I take out my friend go bowling with me. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you who's it. You see that one, the white guy's my friend. He's friends. And you see the white one name is Kimmy. And you see the orange one. He is kind of big, right? He's a big boy. He's pretty talented. Yeah, he really talented, and he's. I wouldn't say fat. He's like enough. Yeah, he was pretty cool, but the classes, we shouldn't wear classes. Like, yeah, it's not pretty. Well, yeah, it's kind of not pretty. And is he gonna strike all that? Is it a strike? Is it a strike? No, it's not a strike. And you know who win that one? I am the top 3. I can't believe that. I like the highest point. But like 3 like I don't have even a point in 3 rows. It's like triple. And don't have even a point. That is so weird. Oh yeah? Y'all see that? I like this place. I really love this place. You should try it. Yeah, it's real cool. And 2 row, I almost got it. I almost win it. I have the most points. I'm the highest